So, hi guys. So today we have something different, totally different. I'm telling you, this is the time of do it yourself. So as you all know, because the coronavirus, that is the COVID-19, we don't have any salons that are open. So that means mommy is going to do for the first time a home haircut for the boy. I did last week actually for my hubby. So now I'm going to do it.
I'm eating strawberry.
Wow, he's eating strawberry. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I've never done it to him because
the bell.
I always
Subscribe to my channel.
yes, I always. That's good that you're telling the people they need to subscribe on Betty Safari, right? Yeah, so that they can follow and see a lot of movies, films. So I'm very curious how it's going to turn out. So if you can see here, it's really big, but it's really nice. But now they're sweating and the weather is nice, so it will be nice to have a freshly cut hair, well done. So it will be more kept, right? Yes. Go sit down. We are very lucky to have nice weather because oh my goodness, I wouldn't know what to do with the kids the whole day when the weather is so rainy or so cold. So we are lucky because they're not going to school like any other child the whole world, I guess. So it's something that you're getting used to it, but so far so good.
Don't forget the bit.
Yeah, tell them not to forget to subscribe in our channel and to click on the bell.
Right the bell. And subscribe.
Oh, is it exciting that mommy is going to do it? Huh? Yay! Good. So we're just going to try. I'm just closing my fingers and I hope it's going to do as fine as I'm hoping. So this we're going to just do this one. I will just keep it here. Yeah, wait. Mommy! Look. Oh my! Well done. So good. Yeah.
Ow!
Ooh. Look at that. It's really long. Yes? No. So big and curly. Yay! Look at his head. It's so cute. Oh. So I did watch a lot of the YouTube. They do advise you need to start from back and front.
Ow! Ow!
Nah, is it painful? Is it painful? Or are you just afraid? Oh my goodness, he's doing so great. I've never done it. I always take him to a barber and I'm just like, okay, this and this need to be done. But now, hell no, I need to do it myself. Oh my goodness. Yes?
Yeah.
Look, which one do you want to watch?
Super Wings.
Super Wings?
Yes.
Let's go for the Super Wings.
Super Wings is my favorite cartoon. Mommy, this is real soft.
Yeah?
And then cool.
Yeah, ma, kijk. Twarĩkia thaa ici tondũ ndĩrenda gũkwenja. Wona wanegenia video tũtikũhota kuoya wega.
Police makeup. Take that cheek.
Okay. So I just wet his hair a little bit using this, my big friend, and I can trim to the size he wants. So I hope you guys can follow. It's not really difficult. It's only like I'm racing the clock because it's a child. You want to do something else with every 10 minutes. Right, look, baby. Wow. He's doing so well. If you guys think I'm also doing a very well, a nice job, given that this is my second time doing a home haircut, please don't forget to leave your comment, thumbs up, subscribe, and probably we are going to do more of this because you don't know, you never know how long are we going to stay home arrest because of this corona. But anyway, we are only getting better and better, fine-tuning our skills, getting to realize what more we can do because we're so much used to just taking our kids to barber, to hair salon, to this and this, and it is amazing that we can still do it. Mommy is almost.
Mama.
So I've just put in the jacuzzi and he's going to enjoy a very nice bath together with his brother a little bit. Papa? Yeah, tell them here is my haircut done by mommy. So guys, look at this. If you think that we've both done a wonderful job, like for him being patient with his mommy who's never done a haircut like for the child, for my hubby I did it last week. So please leave your comments below. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. If you're a newcomer, subscribe because Betty Safari has a lot to show. Yes. So you tell people bye. So guys, that was the haircut for tonight. I'm just going to give him a very nice bath. So I've already put the jacuzzi and they're going to play with the little brother who's very patiently over there waiting. So thank you for watching and I wish you a very happy Easter. Stay home, stay safe, and remember to sanitize all the time and pray for each other. Bye! Betty Safari! Oh yeah, no hold. Ikashiki!
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah. Ikaw niya may dog.